do this. So, as I told you in previous videos, I was planning on upgrading my front suspension, and I finally bit the bullet and I did it. By upgrades, I don't mean I put like completely new forks and whatever in it. I went for the Ohlins front spring kit, the FSK 151 I think it's called, which is just new springs to replace the stock ones. The set comes with different springs, several springs, so you can take the ones that suit your weight the best. Comes with a 80 kilograms and a 90 kilogram spring. I went for the stiffest one, the one for the heaviest people, because I ain't Mr. Six-Pack, so this one with the heaviest one. Also, you have to calculate when you wear gear and everything, so you have to add a bit to your actual weight. So better safe than sorry, and you never know if you might gain weight. I hope not, but it's always a possibility. So I had that installed, and being very new to this whole YouTube thing, I didn't film any of it, but I can tell you that I didn't do it myself. I had it done in a shop, because some of these, I don't know, more finicky things I'd rather have done by a professional than by me, you know. It's called left hand customs, and sometimes it's really like two left hands. So yeah, it took less than an hour actually, about 40-45 minutes to replace the springs. And then I went for a short ride to make sure everything was fine, but then I just did like a bunch of straight roads and 90-degree turns, so couldn't really feel any difference, because as I suspected, on a straight road you don't feel any difference unless it's I don't know, a very bumpy road or something. But even then I don't think you feel a huge difference. But the day after, I went on a trip with a lot of twists and turns, 440 kilometers. That's something in miles. I don't know, 440, 300, around 300 miles. Just a round trip, day trip. And I can tell you, I should have changed these ages ago. The difference in the corners is amazing. It's just wow. It changes this bike. And what people keep telling me is also that if you change the rear, it gets even better. So I don't know, I might do that, but the rear shocks aren't cheap. I'll see about that. But changing the front, holy, yeah, you know what? It's a lot better over stock. I do not regret this at all. That is actually my main conclusion. If you are thinking about it, do it. You won't regret it. It's wow. It's so much more stable and balanced in the corners. A lot less nosedive. Also, when hard braking, a lot less nosedive. Trust me, it's an upgrade you won't regret. I'm happy I did it. Should have done it sooner, but yeah, you never know in life, you know. Yeah, that's a nice license plate. Just 10 too many. Yeah, that's I don't think I have anything more to say about this. Yeah, front suspension upgrade. Do it. Go for it. We released another new t-shirt. It's white. I know a lot of people don't like white t-shirts, but a lot of people like them, so that's why once in a while I bring out a white t-shirt. And it's got a really nice design on it of a cockroach, because the cockroaches are taking over the world. You better believe it. So check out our website, lefthandcustoms.com, and check it out. I added a whole lot of items to the sales category too, so what used to be more is now less. So go ahead and have a look. Maybe you'll have something you like. So as always, just like, comment, subscribe, do the whole thing, and see you next time.